Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to implement the loading effect in Flutter, like the effect using in the Facebook and Instagram, the shimmer effect. Here for implementing loading effect in Flutter, basically we are using here shimmer package for the loading. Just we can see in the popular app like Facebook, WhatsApp, even in Instagram, while we are not getting any data or when we have the slower internet, that time we can use this effect. It's really nice effect. Okay, we are going to implement this step by step. First thing we have to do here is package implementation. Here, go to the pop.sector.yml file, then firstly import this shimmer package. You can add by your terminal as well, Flutter pop add shimmer, right? And it will automatically get the version which is compatible for your device. Okay, the next thing is here I just clean project, the fresh project, and I create one page here. The page name is homepage.dart file, and I put here one title like this. Okay, I will also show you guys this my screen as well. Then we can parallelly see the effect. What to implement here, we can get it. Okay, the next thing here I will use one list view. Then we are implementing this in the one list. Okay, then I use here the list view.separate, right? Then firstly I am implement here just like this item count. Here I set as 10 item count, and then separate builder, it get one context and one index, right? Then I just this shortcut sized box, and I just provide height as a 15, and it should be the constant widget. The next thing we have to do here, it will give us context and index. Okay, then we have to return here, this is the iterable list. We gonna return list tile. Okay, first we will return the shimmer, then I will not using this one, Shimmer.fromColors. Then child should be, we have this child. Okay, I'll write this like this. We have one child. Okay, then I am gonna return child later. First we have these two parameter. Okay, the base color means I'm setting as a gray color. Color state gray, with the opacity should be, I set as the 300. Gray color, and for the highlighted color I'm gonna set opacity as 100. Okay, and the child should be, I'm implementing here the list style. Okay, then the list child consists of list style consists of basically it have three more property. Okay, list style, first property for the list style is leading. Then for the leading we are using circle avatar. Okay, inside the circle other background colors, let white, And the next thing is radius. That circular icon that would be as a radius. Okay. The next thing, okay, it is using by only the radius, no circular or anything else here. I put here the const. Okay. The next thing is, okay, see, now it is showing like this. Then we are adding two more property here. Inside this list style we have the title. Title is the container. I'm giving height as a 20. See, then we have to give the color as well. Color state white. Then we can see it was really nice, right? And the next thing is we have to give some subtitle as well. Subtitle is 13, right? Then we can see here it was really cool and really nice, view. We can use this in our app then when we don't have the data, right? This much for the today tutorial. We'll discuss more detail how we can use its do's and don't and other loading sorts of things, in which types of data we can use this one and in which types of data we can't use this view as well. Okay, thank you so much.